Hey everyone, so the first thing that we are going to do is make a slip knot. Then we are going to place it on our hook and tighten it up. And now we are going to make 222 chain that measures approximately 40 inches long by 1 inch wide. We are going to insert our hook into the second chain. From the hook we are going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we are going to insert our hook into the next chain, yarn over, and we should have 6 loops on our hook. So we are going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops and chain 1. To start our next stitch, we are going to insert our hook into the chain, one space of the last stitch. This is called the eye. We are going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we are going to insert our hook underneath the last leg of the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. We are going to insert our hook into the space where our stitches and yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we are going to do this same thing in the next 2 chains. So we are gonna insert our hook into the chain, yarn over and draw up a loop. We should have 6 loops on our hook, and just like before we are going to pull through all 6 loops on our hook and chain 1, and then finishes off our star stitch. For the next stitch we are going to do the exact same thing as our second stitch. And we are gonna start row 2. Make chain 1 and then 1 single crochet into the last part of the stitch. Now into the eye of the next stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet. So we are going to be working 2 single crochet into the eye of each stitch across. To fasten off, we are going to insert our hook into the side of the first stitch of row 1, and we are going to make a slip stitch and fasten off. Now weave the crochet cord on the belt buckle and weave it through stitches and then cut the tail.